Hi and welcome to InstaSuite. In this training video, I'm going to show you how you can set up domain mapping or using your own domain name on the InstaSuite platform. Now, please do note that you don't need any hosting to use your own domain name as long as it's registered under your account and you have access to the domain register or where you purchased the domain from. All right. So right now we are on the dashboard for InstaSuite. So now the first thing we need to do in order to map the domain is go to our domain register. And in my case, it's going to be under Namecheap. Right? So you might have your domain registered via GoDaddy, HostGator, but all you need to do is log into the domain register. That's where you can manage or renew your domains or register new ones and select the domain that you want to make changes to. In our case, we're going to make changes to btcpuppy.com. We're going to click on manage for this. And under manage, we're going to see advanced DNS. All right. So from here, this is where we're going to add the settings we have for the InstaSuite server. All right. So in order to get those settings, we simply go back to the dashboard of InstaSuite. And from here, we simply select the current site here that we want to use it for. Now, if you want to create a new site, you can do this as well. You just click on create new site, but rather since I'm going to be using this one for an existing site that we created, so I'm going to switch to lifestyle here. I'm going to use this site here as an example. So from here, as you can see, the current site is now showing a lifestyle. I can click on edit site, and from here I can change the site name, the site URL, site logo, and everything else. If I want to remove job rack logo here, I can change this to a lifestyle or different logo as well. Now from here is you can see domain mapping on this account. So under domain mapping, you just simply select either map a domain name of your own. Let's say for example, if you want to use btcpuppy.com, or you want to use a subdomain, let's say for example is store.btcpuppy.com. So it really depends on you. But if you do want the whole domain name itself, you can select the mydomain.com here. And these are the new settings that you can use. Alright, now please do note, now once you apply these settings, it will take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for the changes to apply. Alright, so what we can do is, as you can see from here, we need to create an A record under the domain DNS zone. All right. So from here, we're gonna click on a record here. Now, since if this already has one, feel free to delete those. Just make sure though that you don't have any content on that domain. So we're gonna delete this. All right. Now, since everything's now deleted, we're gonna create an. All right. So we're gonna click on add new record here and select a record. All right. So from here, we can add the host IP or the host name and the IP address value as well. So we're gonna go back, since I didn't copy and paste that one yet, we're gonna go back to InstaSuite and copy and paste it there. So we're gonna put under IP address, we're gonna put in there 97.107.69. All right, so this is the IP for our server. We're gonna copy that one. There we go. And we go back here. We also have here the time to live. That's either to 1440 or leave it as default. All right, so we can leave it automatic, or we can set a time to live here as well. So we're gonna go back here, and we're gonna put a host name here. Let's say the host name is going to be instasuite.com. All right. Again, you can set the TLS here depending on how you want that, but you can set it to automatic as well. Click on the save changes, and there you go. And just wait for 24 hours to 48 hours for this settings to apply. Now, how you can set this up? Now, even if you are on the funnel builder here, right? If you open up, for example, all of the pages, and if you click on the pages here, you will still see, right? You will still see the instasuite.com site here. All right. Now, please do note that you are able to just skip over that. All you have to do is just replace the instasuite.com on the URL with the domain that you chose. So in our case, we can put in here btcpuppy.com/Neil Napier, for example. All right. So if you open this up and you get to this page here, again, the changes for the CNAME or the DNS will apply within 24 to 48 hours. If once you can open the site here with your new domain name slash the page that you created, that means that DNS has already updated and you can now use your own domain name for all of your pages as well as for your membership site and others. All right.